Hello everybody, this is Kenneth from Starlity, and in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer your Starlity earnings to your own personal bank account. So we are aiming to be fully transparent with our freelancers, which is why we have a dedicated earnings page where you can look at and manage all your finances. To get to the earnings page, simply click on the dollar sign right here. Once I'm on the earnings page, this is exactly where I can transfer my earnings from my Starlity account to my personal bank account. So firstly, you can look at your total earnings here and you can look at your balance, and then here is where you can request a payout. However, first you have to set up a bank account. So suppose I select the country of the US, then I will have to add a payment method for the US where it goes into. So right now we support most currencies. However, for the US, Great British Pounds and Hong Kong dollars, we will put it directly into your account. So you fill in all this information and the money will go directly into your account. However, for other countries, let's try it out to show you guys. Suppose Thailand, if we chose Thailand, then your payments will be processed through TransferWise. So first you request for a payment. So suppose I requested for a payout here, $1,000, and then I press request. Then what would happen was I would get an email from TransferWise, and it would take 2 to 4 working days after the payment request, and the email will be sent to your registered email that you registered with for Starlity, and they would then handle your payout. However, they are very simple and easy to work with, which is why we work with them. So yes, so now we can look at this total earnings area right here, and this is where you request for a payout. So as I said before, suppose I wanted to request for $1,000, I would simply click request and my money would be transferred to my account either via TransferWise. If you are not in USD, Hong Kong dollars, or Great British Pounds, then you would be using TransferWise. However, if you are in the US, Hong Kong, or the UK, then we would input it directly into your account. Thank you for watching this video. We at Starlity truly hope you are enjoying using our platform. If you do have any inquiries that are not answered in the FAQ section or in this video or any of the other videos we have posted, then please message us using the chat box and we will get back to you as soon as possible.